What if you let dice decide your vacation?
Last weekend, my wife and I took a camper van road trip with no destination in mind. To add a little structure to the spontaneity, we gamified it. We rolled dice to pick our direction, distance, and challenges along the way. We called it WanderRoll. Tracking everything on a paper map got messy fast. So Thursday night, I handed a rules PDF and some design notes to Claude Code. And by Friday evening, we were on the road with a working app. Each evening, I'd vibe code new features. Add a shaded zone for the direction we rolled. Done. Drop a bonus area in the last 10 miles. Done. Google Maps, sign in, photo tracking, scoring, feature after feature, just by describing what I wanted.
And we actually vacation too.
Disc golf under an airplane in Columbus, Indiana. Bratwurst at Schmidt's Sausage House in Columbus, Ohio. And stumbling onto a spectacular holiday light display in Cambridge. This trip reminded me why I love technology. AI didn't replace the creativity or the problem solving, it amplified it. Same thing we help clients explore at Engage Partners. Curious how AI could accelerate your next project? Let's talk.